Welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm going to talk to you about the greatest city in Germany, that is Cologne. I'm going to talk to you about getting there, street photography and much more. So join us on this video, make sure you like and subscribe. So these guys obviously weren't the pilots. We flew from Dublin to Dusseldorf with Aer Lingus. The flight is approximately an hour and 20 minutes. And when you get into the main terminal you take the Sky Train, which is basically a monorail from the main terminal over to the main station. At the main station you can then board the ice train, which is the Intercity Express, which will take you to Cologne Hauptbahnhof, which is the main station. Now you can buy a local ticket at the airport station and take a train, one of the local trains, commuter trains, to Cologne Hauptbahnhof. It takes approximately an hour and 20 minutes, although I would definitely recommend taking the ice train. It's about 45 minutes. And on this particular journey, as you'll see in a moment, we were travelling at an average speed of 196 kilometers an hour. And the speed of the train reaches a top speed of about 250 kilometers an hour. It is definitely worth paying a little extra to enjoy a little adventure like this. As your journey finishes on the ice train, you cross the famous River Rhine. This particular bridge in Cologne had been knocked down and destroyed during World War II. Having been hit by Allied bombs, and was subsequently rebuilt. As you leave the main station in Cologne, you're greeted by this beautiful view, the world's largest twin steeple Gothic church. Now all of the photos in this video have been shot on my Leica D-Lux 7, the Ray Barbie Special Edition. Now after you leave the main station, you walk to Old Town by the river. It's maybe 3 or 4 minutes walk maximum. There's lots of old hotels and buildings and bars and restaurants with absolutely fantastic food. You can get traditional German food as well as modern European classics. By the river in Stadt, I found it a perfect place to get the drone up and get some footage of the beautiful steeples, the old steeples, as well as Cologne Cathedral. I didn't want to fly the drone by the cathedral itself just because there's a chance I'd get in trouble. Just outside the rear of the main station there is a big underground station for the S-Bahn, and the architecture is brilliant, very modern, and it's ideal for some photographs. This particular trip took place in November, so you have the harsh shadows of the strong winter sun. And as you walk around the streets you'll find many little alleyways dotted off the main streets, and it's definitely worth going down these little alleyways and see what you can find. There's always a photograph somewhere. I have 3 recommendations to make when you visit Cologne in Germany. 1. Bring comfortable footwear. You will do a lot of walking and you will be going up and down steps and through the old part of town over cobblestone, so you want something comfortable and something that's not going to let you trip on the street. So a good pair of trainers is very good. But also when you're walking around, you've got to partake in the local traditions. What do I mean by that? Well, you need to go to one of the big beer halls. Get yourself some beautiful Met, which is a pasteurized pork, raw pork dish. It's made that morning and has to be eaten that day. It's beautiful with a bit of pepper, some onions and a pickle. And of course you would have that with a nice Kolsch, which is a local German beer in Cologne. Something else I'd recommend is going into the old town to a place called Papa Joe's Jazz Locale. I highly recommend this. This is absolutely brilliant. And I'm going to leave the original audio here so you can have a listen. It's very enjoyable and definitely worth paying a visit.
schön. Grazie. So, schön angelegt. Heute Abend im Musentempel zu Cologne. Ja, sind wir hier im Schrägstock.
Scotty, 2 to beam down. Watch out for the lads beaming themselves into another Papa Joe's jazz locale. This one near one of the main squares near the Christmas markets where they are in the month of December. More good fun, good times. Enjoy a nice German beer as you do when you're going around. The next day back to the old town. Plenty of historical buildings around. It's a really beautiful area. Mixed in with some of the cobblestones in the old town, you'll find these memorial plaques dedicated to members of Jewish families who were taken from their homes and brought to Auschwitz. This is a must-see for any history buffs out there. So I hope you enjoyed this look at Cologne, the greatest city in Germany as far as I'm concerned. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like and share, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do, it helps the channel a lot. Enjoy, and don't forget Cologne is only an hour and 20 minutes from Dublin, definitely worth a visit. Thank you and enjoy your day.